Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Thank you, moderator, for your time. First of all, let's express our gratitude for the blessing of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala so that we can gather in this seminar. Next, I would like to express my deepest thanks to Miss Nirma for her presence and all the respected attendants. My name is Pratiwi Gumilangsari. On the occasion of this seminar, I will talk about aspect of writing knowledge and EFL students' writing quality. The first is understanding writing. Yes, writing is an activity of creating a written product done recursively. It requires a wide range of knowledge and the ability to produce an intelligible text. Knowledge about writing plays an important role as a source in the writing process and product. Various kinds of the knowledge about writing are stored in long-term memory and used by writers during the writing process, according by Gillespie at 2013. There are several elements that influence writing results, namely elements that influence the result writing. Number one, any interest. Two, needs. Three, values. Four, knowledge. Five, limitation. And six, opportunities. But in this discussion, I want to focus on discussing about aspect of knowledge for writing. So we can see on the writing knowledge slides, according to Highland 2007, classifies the knowledge about writing that ESL or English as a second language, or EFL, or English as a foreign language. Students need to process into five. Number one, any process. Two, system. Three, content. For genre, and last, any content knowledge. Number one, any process. The knowledge of process writing possessed by the students help them prepare and complete a writing text. During the writing process, the students' metacognitive knowledge work for thinking about the topic and next types, the planning and the steps of writing and the strategies used in completing the text. And number two, any system. System knowledge or metalinguistic. This knowledge refers to the rules in writing academic text relate to vocabulary, grammar, and mechanic in writings. Point and 3 and 4, the final two aspects are genre and content, which are interrelated. Genre is grouping of text based on their communicative purpose, namely their content. In this case, genre build the content in the situation so that students as writers can determine their position, audience, and goals before writing the segment. And last, aspect, any content knowledge. The final aspect of knowledge about writing is content knowledge. This refers to the topic or theme that students are required to write about. This is the main point of developing the paragraph into a coherent idea. Content knowledge influence students in planning before writing. How well students understand the topic or theme of writing a segment influence and the organization and translation of ideas into text, as well as the quality of writing and knowledge of the topic influence students' awareness of revision during the writing process, which increase when they are familiar with the problems. That is an explanation of aspect of writing knowledge and the quality of EFL students' writings, starting from the element that influence writings to this knowledge aspect that students must having in writings, to proving that knowledge of process, system, content, and genre as will make a significant contribution to quality right. The amount of contribution of each aspect to the quality of writings varies from one aspect to another. Therefore, the wider knowledge we have does not rule out the possibility that the quality of our writing will follow suit. That's all my presentation at today's seminar. Thanks for your attention. Sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.